Toyota's maintenance schedule rotates through 3 core services: Service 1, Service 2, and Service 3. These alternate based on your vehicle's mileage to keep everything inspected, maintained, and operating safely. Today we'll take a closer look at the Service 3, Toyota's most comprehensive scheduled maintenance. Service 3 begins with a full under-the-hood inspection. We check and adjust all major fluid levels and inspect both your engine air filter and cabin air filter, replacing them if needed. We verify your coolant, brake, transmission, and washer fluids and visually inspect your drive belts. This service also includes additional attention to engine performance by listening for valve clearance concerns. These deeper checks help us identify wear that may not be visible in earlier services. We then move through your safety systems: wipers, lights, horn, and washer operation, making sure everything functions exactly as it should. We check that the driver's floor mat is properly installed and complete a detailed test of your 12-volt battery to assess overall electrical health. During a Service 3, the wheels come off so we can perform a full brake inspection, including pads, rotors, calipers, lines, and hoses. We check and set tire pressures, measure and record tread depth, and rotate your tires or complete a tire swap if your tires are on rims. Then we inspect suspension, steering linkage, ball joints, drive shafts, and chassis components for wear or damage. This is one of the key differences in a Service 3, the in-depth under-vehicle brake and steering inspections. Because the Service 3 is the most thorough of Toyota maintenance intervals, we go further underneath the vehicle. We inspect the exhaust system, check fuel lines, the fuel tank vent system, and look for any signs of leaks or damage. If your vehicle is equipped, we also inspect the differential and transfer case vents and lubricate the propeller shaft. These additional checks help prevent long-term issues and ensure proper driveline operation. Service 3 also includes an oil change and oil filter replacement, just like in Service 2. We reset your maintenance reminder, we take the vehicle for a road test, and we record all measurements, conditions, and inspection results so you leave with a clear picture of your vehicle's overall health. This completes the most comprehensive maintenance visit in Toyota's service cycle. Service 3 gives your vehicle a full health assessment from top to bottom. It's the most in-depth service of Toyota's maintenance schedule, helping you stay ahead of wear and keeping your vehicle performing the way it should. Book your next service with Salmon Toyota, and don't forget to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.